Good morning, students. What we see around us may be just a few, but there are innumerable species living in this world. You have learned in the lower classes about the classification of animal kingdom. We will recall here the animal kingdom is divided into two groups based on the presence of backbone, notochord, invertebrates and chordates. Invertebrates include 9 phylum. The vertebrates are grouped into 6 classes. The variety in nature and habits of animals in the biosphere are quite amazing and very interesting one. So there occurs a great diversity in the habit. Habit means behavior, habitat, the living place, structural organization. The structure is differ from one organism to another organism, and mode of reproduction. It may be the sexual method or asexual method, egg laying, oviparous, or give birth to their young ones, viviparous. Between the animals existing on the earth, in this chapter, you will understand the structural morphology. Morphology is the outermost part, and anatomy of an invertebrate leech and vertebrate rabbit. Anatomy means the study of internal organs. The scientific name of the Indian cattle leech is Hirudinaria granulosa, which belong to the phylum Annelida. You know that annelids, the organism body is divided into segments, small chambers. So the annelids are metamerically segmented worms. Metamerically means the segments, all the segments are equal from head to tail. So it is called a metamerically segment worms with developed organ system. The scientific name of common rabbit is Oryctolagus funiculus. It is present phylum Chordata and class Mammalia. The mammals occupy the highest group in animal kingdom. The vertebrate include 6 classes: Cyclostomata, fishes, amphibia, reptile, aves, mammals. Mammals show the advancement over the other groups of animals. They are the warm-blooded homeothermic. The organism does not change their body temperature depend upon the environment, climatic changes. So it is called a warm-blooded. The salient features of the mammals: they possess covering of hair on the body, mammary gland in the female. In the most striking features of mammals, both two, the hairs presented and mammary gland. Let us now study about the morphology of leech in detail. Indian cattle leech, Hirudinia granulosa, phylum Annelida, class Hirudinia, order Naphtolida, genus Hirudinaria, species Granulosa. habit and habitat. Hirudinea granulosa, Indian cartilage, is found in India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Myanmar and Sri Lanka. It lives in freshwater, pond, lake, swamps and slow streams. They are ectoparasitic, the outermost parasite nature. They have the special features and it feeds on the blood of fishes, frog, cattle and human. It is a sanguivorous, blood-sucking nature. Suck the blood from the host. External morphology. First character, shape and size. The body of the leech is soft, vermiform, elongated and segmented. Whenever it extends, it becomes a ribbon shaped, நாடா மாதிரி இருக்கும், and almost cylindrical in shape when it contracted. Both the shape, ribbon shape, extended form, cylindrical shape, contracted form. Leech may grow to the length of 35 cm. The coloration, dorsal surface is olive green in color. The ventral surface is orange yellow or orange red in color. You see our body, the front portion is called ventral, the back portion is called dorsal. Segmentation, metamerism. Segments, the body is fully divided. The body leech is metamerically divided into 33 segments. The segments are arranged one behind the other. Each segment is further divided, superficially subdivided into rings or annulae. The temporary clitellum is formed on the segment 9 to 11. The clitellum produce a cocoon formation during the breeding season. Breeding means the reproduction season. It form a cocoon shape. கூடு மாதிரி தன்னை சுற்றிலும் உருவாக்கிக்கிறது. Receptors. On the dorsal side there are 5 pairs of eye on the first 5 segments. First 5 segments considered as a cephalic region. Cephalic means head. So the head considered 5 pairs of eyes. Each segment bears a number of sensory projections called receptors. We have 5 sensory organs: eye, nose, mouth, ear, skin. That like the leech have sensory projections present in all the segments. The annular receptors are located in each annulus and segmental receptors are located on the first annulus of each segment. Leech mode of ectoparasitic nature. So it have a special features, special shape. Both suckers are present. Sucker mean in Tamil terms உறிஞ்சிகள், ரத்தத்தை உறிஞ்சுறதுக்கு தேவையான உறிஞ்சிகள் 2 present ஆயிருக்கும். There is a posterior sucker and anterior sucker. The sucker located on the anterior end is called anterior sucker or oral sucker. Oral means mouth, which is ventral in position, occupying first 5 segments. The posterior sucker is formed by the fusion of last 7 segments. Fusion means joining. Joining of 7 segments to make a posterior sucker. The anterior sucker helps in feeding, while both the sucker help in attachment and locomotion. External apertures. First one, mouth. It is located in the middle of anterior sucker. Anus, is a small apertures that open on the mid dorsal side of 26th segment. Nephridiaphores, nephrons, you know that the nephron is a structural and functional unit of excretory system. So nephridiophore, excretory pore, open to the exterior by 17 pair of nephridiophores. They lie ventrically on the last annulus of each segment from 6 to 22. Male genital pore. Genital means reproductive organ, reproductive pore. Male genital pore present in the mid-ventral opening situated between a second and third annuli of 10th segment. So 10th segment have the male genital pore and the 11th segments have the female genital pore. The female genital pore lies mid-ventrally between the second and third annuli of 11th segments. So it is a hermaphrodite, both a male and female reproductive part present in single organism. So the external apertures includes mouth, anus, nephridiopores, male genital pore, female genital pore. Division of the body. The body of leech is divided into six regions. First one, cephalic region, cephalic head region, 1 to 5th segment. Preclitoral region, 6th, 7th and 8th. Clitoral region, 9th, 10th, 11th segments. Middle region, 12th to 22. Caudal region, caudal means tail, tail region, 23rd to 26. Posterior sucker, 27 to 33. The front portion is called anterior, the back portion is called posterior. The body wall of leech includes 5 layers. One by one present the 5 layers. First one is cuticle, second one epidermis, epi means outer, dermis is skin. Then third one dermis, fourth one muscular layer, fifth one botryoidal tissue. Cuticle, the outermost layer, epidermis which lies below the cuticle, dermis which lies below the epidermis form a connective tissue. The muscular layer form the circular and longitudinal muscles. Patellar tissues lies beneath the longitudinal muscles and fill the entire coelom around the gut. Locomotion. Locomotion in leech takes place 2 types. One is a looping or graveling movement. Second one is the swimming movement. Looping or graveling movement, this type of movement is brought about by contraction and relaxation of muscles. Do you see the earthworm contract their bodies and then relax? The 2 suckers serve for attachment during movement on the substratum. Second type, swimming movement. Leeches swim very actively and perform undulating movement in water. Digestive system includes a long alimentary canal and digestive glands. First 5 considered as a cephalic region. Jaws, mouth and anterior suckers are present here. Then a 6th leads a pharynx and pharynx leads a esophagus. The esophagus leads into grab chambers. The grab chambers divided into 10 chambers connect with the sphincters. Then grab leads into stomach. The stomach leads into intestine. The intestines finally comes to the rectum and then small opening anus. The alimentary canal of leech is a straight tube running from the mouth to the anus. The mouth is a dry radiate aperture. Try 3. It become a Y-shaped apertures situated in the middle of anterior sucker. that leads to into small buccal cavity. The wall of the buccal cavity bears 3 jaws with a single row of minute teeth. The jaws are provided with papillae, which bears the opening of salivary gland. 3 jaws, single row of minute teeth, and then papillae. The buccal cavity bears a salivary gland. The buccal cavity leads into muscular pharynx. It is surrounded by the salivary gland. The secretion of saliva contains hirudin. It's a special character for leech. The hirudin is prevent the coagulation of blood. Does not clotting. It prevent the clotting of blood. The pharynx leads into grap through a short and narrow esophagus. Grap is the largest portion of the alimentary canal. Grap in Tamil terms theenippai. It sucks a large amount of blood, but digestion process is very slow. So all the bloods are stored in the 3 chambers, grap chambers, and slowly digested and absorb the energy. It is divided into series of 10 chambers. The chambers communicate with one another through the circular apertures surrounded by sphincters. Sphincters mean சுருக்கு தசைகள்னால இணைக்கப்பட்டிருக்கும். The pair lateral and backwardal director CK arise the blind outgrowth from each chamber is known as a ceca or diverticula. The grap and a diverticula can store large amount of blood which can be slowly digested. The last chamber of grap opening into stomach. The stomach leads into intestine, which is a small straight tube that opens into rectum. The rectum open into exterior by anus. Food and feeding and digestion. The leech feeds by the sucking blood of the cattle and other domestic animals. During the feeding, the leech attached itself to its victim strongly by the posterior sucker. The leech make a dry radiate Y-shaped incision in the skin of the host by jaws protruded through the mouth. அதனுடைய வாயிலிருந்து ஒய் ஷேப்பில் ஒரு காயத்தை ஏற்படுத்தி அந்த ஹோஸ்டோடைய ஸ்கின்னில் போய் ஒட்டிக்கிறது. ஒட்டிட்டு பிளட்டை ஃபுல்லாக சக் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிருது, உறிஞ்ச ஆரம்பிச்சிருது. The blood is sucked by muscular pharynx and salivary secretion is poured. The ingested blood, ingested means the absorbed blood, is stored in the grap chamber and its diverticulum. The blood passes from the grap into stomach. So the digestion only takes place in the stomach region. For the what purpose for the grap? It only for the storage. The digestion takes place in the stomach by the action of proteolytic enzyme. The digested blood is then absorbed slowly by the intestine. The undigested food are stored in the rectum and ejected through the anus. Anus is a small opening, மலத்துளைன்னு சொல்லுவோம். அது வழியாக ejected it release out the undigested food particles. The leeches prevent blood clotting by secreting a protein called hirudin. So they also inject the anesthetic substance that prevent the host from feeling their bite. More to know, leeches do not have ear, hence can sense vibrations, sensitive one, through their skin. Leeches have 2 to 10 tiny eyes which help them to locate their food. Leech can suck blood 5 times more than their body weight. It may take more than a year for the complete digestion and absorption of full meal. Segmentation of a leech. Body segments totally 33. The anterior sucker, mouth, eyes present in the first 5 and posterior suckers 27 to 33. Pharynx 5th to 8th. Grape 9th to 18th segment. Stomach 19. Intestine 10th to 22. Rectum 23rd to 26. Anus 26. Nephridophore present in the 6th to 22 segments. Male genital apparatus present in the 10th segment. Female genital apparatus present in the 11th segment. Students, I give some activities here. You do it in a separate notebook. Value based question. Leeches do not have an elaborate secretion of digestive juice and enzymes. Why? You should collect the informations and write down in the same activity note. Thank you, students.